We are as dynamic as a labor market. Bigster work needs to run fast to match the recruitment speed of changes in Europe.
Who are we? We are 15,000 filled job positions, 4,000 loyal employers, job applicants from 29 countries worldwide, 25 employees across offices, 15 years of experience, recruitment partners across 5 continents. And recruitment is done in 3 steps.
Contact Bigster Work.
Choose your candidates
and welcome your international worker.
In only 3 years, we increased from 500 to 2,000 placements per year and brought our recruitment services to 7 European countries.
Now we are signing up to 5 new collaboration partners across the globe every 3 months.
Logistical issues, labor market changes, economic crisis, pandemic didn't stop us, but
made us increase our closed job positions by 400% and expand from agriculture to food technology and hospitality sectors.
How do we do it?
we are driven by a strong team spirit and a global cooperation.
And constant growth of the quality of our services.
I joined Bigster Work when we were only operating in Denmark. Now we are also providing recruitment solutions in Germany,
Norway,
Sweden, the Netherlands, Iceland.
And United Kingdom.
Solve your workforce needs with Bigster and trust professionals.
नौकरी छोड़ के जब बिजनेस शुरू किया था, समझदार लोगों ने बहुत समझाया, मैं नहीं समझा। ऐसी समझदारी का क्या जो मेरी उड़ान को रोके।
5 লক্ষ টাকা ঘুষ দিয়া দেশে চাকরি আনিয়া 5 লক্ষ টাকা খরচ করে বিদেশ আসো। দেশের 5 লক্ষ টাকা উঠাইতে লাগবে তোমার 5 বছর, আর প্রবাসে 5 লক্ষ টাকা উঠাইতে লাগবে তোমার 1 বছর। তুমি নিজে চিন্তা করো 5 লাখ টাকা দিয়ে কি করবা? দেশে ঘুষিতে চাকরি নিবা না 5 লাখ দিয়ে বিদেশে আইবা?